Hello Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta po kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all po. Tignan natin ang mga messages ninyo for the month of January 2024. Kung ano mensahe ninyo ay Antelope Spirit, life is speeding up. Napakaganda nito Virgo, no? Sa pagsisimula ng 2024, mukhang maganda ang ganapan dito, no? Kasi life is speeding up. Mabilis ang galawan, mabilis dito yung magiging takbo ng kung ano man ang mga inaasikaso ninyo or mga gagawin ninyo, mga pinoproseso ninyo. So, talagang you'll be able to accomplish things, no, in a fast pace dito come January. So, kung ano man ang mga balak ninyong simulan, makakaasa kayo na magiging mabilis ang galawan ng lahat, magiging mabilis ang pagbalik ng kung ano man ang mga resulta ng mga gagawin ninyo, or even if may mga pending kayong transactions kunyari, no, or ginagawa ngayon 2023, pagdating ng January, maaaring mabilis na gagalaw ng muli ang lahat ng mabilisan, no? So that is really beautiful na energy. We have our sweet results await. Ayan, napakaganda talaga. Napakaganda. Tingnan mo, bibilis ang lahat. Bibilis ang takbo. Bibilis ang usad ng mga bagay-bagay sa buhay ninyo. At kung ano man ang pinag-isisikapan ninyo, ano man ang what you are working on, mayroong sweet results na naghihintay. Magandang resulta. In other words, di ba? Mayroong positive outcome, no? Na parating sa inyo dito. And with the bee, no, bees also symbolizes abundance, prosperity, no? So maaring prosperous and abundant energy then talaga ang babalot sa inyo. So most likely yung mga bagay na to is linked to your money, career, and finances, no? Maaring yan ang mga pinagsisikapan, mayroong mga goals kayong you're trying to hit, no, in January. So that is really beautiful kasi talagang feels like may prosperous and abundant energy na parating, na babalot sa inyo in January, at magkakaroon kayo ng very rewarding dito, no, very rewarding endeavor, no, ang meron kayo dito siguro. Kaya napakaganda lang, bibilis ang lahat at ang resulta ay napakaganda, favorable sa inyo, magkakaroon kayo ng prosperity and abundant life, no? Maaaring yan ang magiging resulta na kung ano man ang inyong mga pinagkakaabalahan sa ngayon. Dog spirit, be loyal to what you love. Ayan, so maaaring ito yung requirement sa inyo din, in order for you to come up with this results, or para makuha ninyo ang ganitong resulta, positive outcome, you also need to be loyal to what you love, no? So maaring ganyan, maari talaga na what you are doing is na pinagkakaabalahan ninyo, pinagfo-focusan ninyo dito is your job, is your career, or your business. Maybe that is what you really love to do. Maybe that is really your passion, no? Kaya sinasabi dito din na be loyal to what you love, dahil kapag ganon, you're focusing on that, no, you're putting your efforts on that, you're putting your attention and energy on that, then talagang makukuha nyo din kung ano yung goal niyo dyan. Kukuha ninyo ang magandang balik, no, dyan sa i-invest ninyong oras, attention, and energy, no? So what else for Virgo? We have communication, may mga sulat, emails, text messages siguro na makakamit kayo or na matatanggap kayo around this time that could be related, no, to this to the mga transactions ninyo, yung mga na-pending or mga na-delay, no? So, maaaring ang mga communication na yan is going to give you a heads up na it's going to continue or maaaring makareceive kayo dyan ng mga updates, no? Sa kung ano man ang mga hindi, alam mo yun, yung hindi na yung mga natigil kumbaga na mga sitwasyon, mga ganap sa buhay ninyo, no? So maaring ganyan ang ganap diyan. We have healing, Virgo. This is beautiful kasi you are receiving healing energy, no? Healing energy. Maaring iba sa inyo may mga dinaramdam sa katawan, maaring ganon. At maaring you are seeking for healing, you're seeking for treatment, no? Maaring ganon. And yan, around January, you might be able to to start feeling good, feeling better, feeling revitalized kasi siguro marireceive nyo, matatanggap ninyo ang powerful healing energy ng universe, no? Ng Archangel Raphael, yung mga ganon. So, good luck to that, Virgo. Hindi lang to physical ailments, no? Maaari din na yung even emotional problems ninyo siguro, yung mga emotional ninyong dala-dala, bit-bit sa inyong dibdib, maaaring magkaroon na din kayo dyan ng healing, no? So, what else? We have meditation. Ayan. So, meditation, there is a need for you to meditate, no? There is a need for you to put yourself in solitude. Magkaroon kayo ng pagkakataon, panahon to connect with yourself, to connect with your higher consciousness, to connect with God, yung gano'n. So, maaari din ang iba sa inyo dito is asking for answers, asking for guidance, no? Kaya inimbitahan kayo na mag-meditate kayo because pag nagme-meditate tayo, tatahimik tayo, yung katawan natin, nakaka-relax, yung isip natin, nare-relax din, na napapahinga. So, doon ninyo maaaring marinig, no, or maibigay sa inyo yung guidance na kailangan ninyo, na gusto ninyong malaman, gusto ninyong marinig, and even the answers that you are seeking, it could come from meditation because totoo naman yung meditation really bring answers, no? So most likely ganun ang ganap dito for you, Virgo. Kaya ang invitation sa inyo, no, it's about time na mag-meditate kayo, no? So you'd be able to quiet your mind and body, and you will get the answers that you are seeking. We have magical blessings. You are really, really in a good position in January, Virgo. There are blessings, no? Magical blessings that are coming your way. Napakagaganda. Maaring ito yung pag-speed up ng mga bagay-bagay sa buhay ninyo. That is already one blessing. Lalo na yung magagandang resulta ng inyong mga usapin, mga transactions, mga proyekto, mga endeavor ninyo, no? That is also a huge blessing dito. Healing, no? That is a huge blessing. So there are so many things, no, that are coming towards you in January na talaga namang sobrang gaganda, sobrang magagandang pangyayari, sobrang malaking tulong sa inyo, and those are super good, no? Na mga ganap sa buhay ninyo, mga blessings na talagang you would be very grateful for, no? Kaya maari din na may mga bagay din, no? Material things siguro din na maaring dumating din sa inyo, ipadala sa inyo ang Divine Universe in January, and that is going to be a prosperous and abundant, no? That's going to be more than enough for you and for your family, no? So that also you can share with other people kasi you are also very compassionate, you're also very generous, no, Virgo? Kaya maybe universe is going to bless you, no, with abundance of things so that you can also share that with other people. We have moon energy. Ayan. So this is an invitation for you to surrender to the natural ebb and flow of life. Maaaring ang iba sa inyo dito may mga bagay siguro kayo na in-envision for yourself, and maybe alam mo yun, yung parang pinipilit ninyo na yun ang mangyari. Kung ano yung gusto ninyo, maaring yun ang gusto ninyong mangyari, yun ang pinipilit ninyo. But, diba, hindi naman ganun talaga ang kalakaran. Normally, diba, kung ano talaga yung gustong mangyari ng divine universe, kung ano nasa divine plan, that's what happens. That's what's unfold sa buhay natin, no? At nakakatsamba tayo minsan, may mga gusto tayo mangyari na yun din talaga ang nangyayari. So nakakatsamba tayo na yung gusto natin, yung in-envision natin for ourselves could be also that is part of the divine plan din, ano? Kaya nangyayari din ang gusto natin. But sometimes, or most of the time, di ba, things are beyond our control. May mga bagay talaga na hindi natutupad, hindi nangyayari according to to our expectations. Kaya in that case, kahit nagawa na natin ang lahat, wala nangyayari, or maybe it's not happening. So let's just surrender, no? Let's just surrender to the natural ebb and flow of life. Ganun na lang ang gawin natin. Nang sa gayon, mas magkakaroon tayo ng less stress, magkakaroon tayo ng peace of mind, diba? When we offer it to God, when we offer it to the divine universe and sa natural ebb and flow of life, let's just surrender everything. No, let's just surrender everything. Kasi with that, mas magkakaroon tayo ng kapayapaan sa dibdib, mas payapa ang isip natin, no? Na we are just allowing destiny to unfold, diba? According to the divine plan, no? So what else? We have inspiration, and so there will be inspiration dito na babalot sa puso ninyo, no? In January, Virgo, napakaganda. You will be very inspired, you will be very motivated dito sa mga gagawin ninyo or sa mga endeavor na binabalak ninyong simulan around January. So good luck. That's all I have for you for the month. I hope nakatulong ang mga mensaheng ito in some way. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.